If you're not selling the face and your body to sell that garment, you're not going to do it for another show. So it starts with when you first are about to walk on that runway. So this whole walk over, that's part of your walk. So it should be, no. Once you're coming out, that's you, right there. Also, a lot of people, you're not tall. And even if you are tall, you have to appear to be tall. So you have to open up your stride. This isn't going to cut it. If you 5 foot 6, it's not going to cut it. It looks bad. Not bad, I want to say that. It doesn't look bad. But in pictures, if you're taking a picture and they're taking a picture of you coming down the runway, if your stride is open, you appear a lot taller in pictures. I know, when I first started, I was on 5 foot 6. So it does help you by opening your stride. So we can work on that. Also, controlling the arms. A lot of people think that, oh, I can't move my arms, so it makes me lose my whole walk and you start walking like this. That is crazy. No. You just have to naturally let them move without all this. Because that's hair show walking. That has its own place. Also, it goes with the confidence thing. Keep your head up. Hold your chest up. When you walk out here, it may be your first time walking. It may be that you're nervous in front of everybody, or you think you might fall, or you're not comfortable, your shoes don't fit, whatever it is. When you come out here, that doesn't matter. You're a professional model. You've done it so many times, and your shoes fit perfectly. Okay? Because at the end of the day, like I said, you're just a model.